Does your jacuzzi have a shorted water temp sensor message? Keep watching to learn how to fix that. When you have an error code like this on your jacuzzi hot tub, it normally means that your temperature sensor is malfunctioning. First thing you want to do is open the side panel where the topside controls are and locate the spa pack. This is where everything in your jacuzzi hot tub is plugged into. Find the hot tub temperature heat sensor and unplug it. Be very careful, the hot tub power is still on. If your jacuzzi hot tub turns on like that after you unplug the heat sensor, then replace the sensor. Next is changing out the heat sensor. Turn your jacuzzi hot tub off. The jacuzzi hot tub temperature sensor will be where the filters are. Remove the hot tub filters so you can get to the heat sensor. Drain the hot tub water just below the heat sensor. Once you get that water below that heat sensor, I'm going to show you how to take it out and replace it with a new one. Goes into that pipe right there. Our new sensor. Take the white O-ring off so you can use it for the next one. With your new sensor, what you do is you take the old gasket and you're going to put it on the new one. There we go. Got it on the new one. Get yourself some electrical tape. And we're just going to tie it together. Put the tape on so it's not gonna be like permanent, so it's easy to take off. And just push it in like that, and then we'll go on the other side. And we got that. So you just start pulling it in. See, there we go. Yourself, and I'll link this stuff down below. It's 100% waterproof silicone. I'm just gonna put a little bead all the way around here. That just helps it a bit. Clear is better, but that's all I had right now. In there. So just snug. You don't have to do it super tight. There you go, just snug like that. Fill your jacuzzi hot tub back up. If that temperature sensor ever leaks, it's going to leak through that white pipe. You just have to plug it in. I'm going to put the temp sensor back. Turn the hot tub back on. Make sure everything's good and set your temperature. And that's how you change a jacuzzi temperature sensor.